this huge shipment from TAMU. I was shopping on TAMU and this is what they sent me. Let's see what's in the package. So we have couch covers, a pillow for the bathtub, another couch cover, and ooh, a dumpling maker, dumpling maker. Ooh, we got roses. Colanders for the kitchen. Ooh, a recliner slip cover. A cap for the shower. And a really large, heavy blanket. This is my TAMU haul. The company, TAMU, wanted me to try a shopping experience with them and try out some of their products. So I did. I went shopping on TAMU and this is what I got. And I haven't even unpacked it yet, but it looks great. And I gotta tell you, you guys, TAMU is very affordable. So I got this high quality spatula. This is nice. Ooh. This is nice, you guys. Spatula for the kitchen. And yeah, so I started out by just getting like a couple of things for the kitchen and then kind of working my way through the house. Yeah, so you just pop it out, you put your vegetables or whatever you want in there, and it just strains through, and then you can stack them and fold them up so they don't take that much cupboard space. So the other kitchen item that I got was a dumpling maker because I really wanted to try making dumplings. And this just looked so nice and easy. You just put the dumpling in there and you fill it and you close it and it seals it. How nice is that? How easy is that? So this is the dumpling maker that I chose. So I got this little bouquet of dried roses. They're actually silk, but they look like real dried roses. Aw, cute. It's got a cute little wooden bear on it. Yeah, so this is just a little hood that you put over your hair when you are taking a bath and you don't want your hair to fall into the water. Or if you take a shower and your hair is wet, you can wrap it up in this like a towel. So I'm really excited to try this bathtub pillow that I got. It's so cushiony too. Ooh. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's free. This blanket is so soft. Okay. Thank you, TAMU, for this beautiful blanket and everything else. It's gorgeous. I'm really impressed about the quality, you guys, because everything on TAMU is so incredibly affordable. These are really nice quality. So it comes with straps to hold it onto the chair, and this is the, wow. Okay, this covers the whole reclining chair. And it has pockets on it that go off the side that you can put magazines, phones, you know, remote controls, stuff like that in it. Wow. As I had never tried TAMU, but I can tell already that I'm going to use that as one of my shopping apps. And you guys, it ships from the United States. It only takes a few days to get here. It took like 3 days, I believe, 3 or 4 days. And I like to recycle and reuse things, so I will save this ribbon and this package for other things like storing cosmetics or wrapping a gift. Okay, here we go, living room set. So I got these covers for the couch, the love seat, and a pillow because there are pets in the house. There are 4 pets, 2 cats and 2 dogs. And so having a washable cover on the couch and love seat is gonna be great. This is the love seat cover. So we've got a couch cover, a love seat cover, and a pillow. And these are nice and soft. And I got the colors that coordinate with the living room. So they have different colors. They've got like a soft camel, a little darker tan color, and they've got a white cream color. Do you know what it's like having pets and they're always on the couch, right? And then you have company and you have to like get rid of the cat hair and things like that, or the dog fur. Well, I got these covers from TAMU and they look amazing, so we are going to try them out. That cute. These are sturdy items too. This is no joke. These are nice quality. Look at that. A beautiful final touch. Cute little Okay guys, I'm going to put the love seat cover on now. These covers come in many different sizes, you guys, so make sure you measure your couch, your 3-seating sofa, to make sure you have the right size for you. I'm going to order another one of those pillow covers. You guys, I did this whole mini makeover on the house for under $200. Some other wonderful features about TAMU is the fact that if you don't like their product that you ordered, they will give you a refund, even if it's up to like 90 days, which is amazing. Most companies don't do that. They also have free shipping, and the shipping does not take any time at all because it comes out of California. So literally after I did my order, it got to me within just a few days. There is also a price guarantee. So if you notice that you ordered something and it comes down in price, you can actually let them know and they will give you a partial refund. I am so happy with the products that they sent me. I'm not returning anything. In fact, I'm probably going to be ordering more. Definitely download the app. I have the link in the description below. So for the kitchen, I got this really nice spatula. Search my code DPN3232 for a $100 free coupon bundle. And also, if you download the app in the description below, just click the link, you can also get a free $100 bundle. You don't want to miss this opportunity, so hit the description below and collect your free $100 bundle from TAMU. So I put these beautiful flowers right here on the bathtub, and I'm going to put on the pillow. So it says put a little water on the suction cup so if it doesn't stick, and it has this little hook too, so you can wash it once every 2 weeks and hang it up to dry. Alright, so now a little water. Oh, there we go. Okay. I also got this little cap that you can put on your hair if you want to keep it out of the bathtub and not get it wet, or You can use it as a towel after you have a shower or a bath, just to hold your hair and dry it. It's got this cute little teddy bear. There we go. Just twist it and tuck it in here. So soft and so cute. I'm just gonna hang this up over here by the bathtub. It's a beautiful, beautiful blanket. Wow. Voila! This is beautiful. This is really soft and furry. It's beautiful. So this is actually a California king bed. So this would actually fit entirely over like a queen or a double bed, and it actually makes a really nice double throw for a California king. Okay, we are going to put the new cover on this chair. Beautiful. Okay. Wow. You guys, I am totally impressed. Nice deep pockets. Yeah, so I'm gonna put some things in the pockets. Headphones. Thank you, TAMU, for sponsoring this video.